You need Amapiano case or samples for your beat? Check it out. Yo, the name is God Science, still the solution carrier, providing solutions to your problems. Hit the subscribe button if you are new to this channel. Turn on the notification bell, like the video, leave a comment and subscribe. Today I got this free Amapiano case or sample packs that you can use to make your Amapiano beats. Check it out. Link to download these free sample packs or case is in the description down there. Click on it to download this for free, but make sure you watch this video to the end to know the password to unzip that for free. Alright, we are in FS Studio. Let me take you through these sample packs. Okay, so I have the BPM set to 112. Okay, so this is the sample packs. Caps, Mellow and Sleazy pack. Okay, so over here you can get bongos. Okay, nice claps, congas. Okay, cowbells, nice cymbals. Then we have drum fills. All right, we have some kicks. Nice shakers. Okay, so let's try using some of these sample packs to make our beat. All right. Okay, so let me select this. I want to make something simple from these sample packs. Let me drop a kick. You feel it, 4 steps for each. All right, so let's listen to it. Okay, let's add some layers. Add more percussions. Again, nice case that you can use to make your Amapiano beat. Add more. Let me check out with the percussion. Okay. Something simple like that. Let me bring in hi-hat. Like my hi-hat to be this. Alright, so let's place that one on the playlist. Let me chop here. Okay, then fill the whole thing like this. Introduce some of the shakers. Okay, so like this. Fill some bass. Then let's bring some of the drum fills, like using this one. Very simple. So you get nice drums or sample packs or kits that you can use. Links to download this in the description down there. Click on it to download this for free. Subscribe to the channel if you are new to this channel, guys. Okay, let's check some of the Vox.
Hi.
Okay, I like this one too. Let's listen. Very simple. So you can use this Amapiano case to make your beat. Let me add simple melodies to it. Subscribe to the channel, guys. Change this to steps. Okay, something simple. Okay, just fill the whole place. Bring this one to this. Select all. Make it short. Very simple like that. Introduce muffin again. Let's add something simple. Simple thing like that. Don't stress yourself when you are making your melodies. Something simple, okay? Introduce another thing, maybe another tone, then I'll end this video because this video is not made for making Amapiano beats. I just want to show you the sample packs. Okay, all right, let's check it out. Alright guys, so you can use these sample packs to make your Amapiano beats. Everything is free. Link to download it is in the description down there. It's got sound on the beat. Stay the solution career, providing solutions to your problems. See you in the next video. Stay blessed.